What's up with K? Another tire run, NTB in a cargo van. Man. It's crazy out here. It's getting competitive. Rates are going down. Yes, because the gas prices are going down. So shippers and these delivery companies are not trying to pay top pay. They're being cheap these days. It's a lot more drivers out here, so it's a lot more competitive found in routes. But I was able to get a load down to Tampa over this weekend. Took some time to catch the game and did some other things while I was down there. And it's a lot of loads coming out of Florida, a lot of money coming out of Florida, not a lot of high paying loads. I was able to get something coming back, deliver some furniture for somebody coming back to Atlanta. Didn't get a chance to record that video. It's overnight. Dark, it's kind of last minute run I did, but it was cool, man. It's on the daily. This is a quick little 13-mile trip in a cargo van. Paying $40 for 13 miles one way. See if I can grab something going back to the office. Well, nah, just get me out, get me rolling. Start making some money for the day. That's the name of the game. Stay positive. Hit my daily goal. $300 a day. $300 a day. Take the W-2 away. Take the job away. There's nothing wrong with working a full-time job. Working for yourself always feels a lot better. So I'm actually going to see if I can show the drop-off to this location. This is a new location I'm going to, dropping off at. So we're going to see what this is about, what they got going on. And see if they need somebody full-time to actually pick up and deliver parts for them. So that's how you get these contracts. That's how you use these apps to get leads. And then once you see who's needing the services, who needs stuff picked up, who needs stuff dropped off, then you talk to that manager or talk to the owner of that business and see, hey, you can cut the middleman off, you can pay me directly, slightly lower, and we all make money. Alright guys, so later, I'm gonna look in a second.
Yo, so peep game, this is why I want y'all to have y'all alerts set up on CB Driver, because they literally come to your email address, right? I always say the courier business is a first mover's advantage, right? So you will see logistics companies, courier companies post what they in need of, right? What they in need of a partnership, and it comes directly to your email. So like I'm showing y'all, different companies are posting these opportunities: Sprinter van, cargo van, cars, right? So what I need y'all to do is literally go to cbdriver.com, right? The driver network, it helps drivers grow their courier business, right? The #1 network, it keeps growing, right? I need y'all to join for free. Like, it's no payment, no anything, right? All you got to do is fill out some personal information, make sure you set up your alerts, and come on, yo, it'll come right to your email.